Happy Tuesday, mid-Missouri. It's a warm one today. All things considered, only a few degrees warmer than average, but 44 is going to feel quite a bit better than some of the cold that we've had, even the low to mid-30s. We had the Arctic stretch for a while, and that's gone. We're starting to warm. We may even see some 50s by the end of the 7-day forecast. Stick around here. We are dry today. We've got a little drizzle and maybe a little fog throughout the morning hours. Through noon, a dense fog advisory is in effect for Benton, Saline, Sheraton, Randolph, and Macon counties. Everyone else still seeing some potential for fog, but it's densest there in our western counties. Again, drizzle and fog may linger throughout the morning, but we're trending drier, especially as we warm, and temperatures will warm today. We're back near 40 in Columbia, maybe around the noon hour, reaching about 40 to 44, 43, 45, somewhere around there for folks in Columbia, folks a little warmer in the south, but that's where rain returns soonest later on this evening. That's right, we are tracking more rain moving back in. It's all rain. We don't expect freezing rain. This makes it to Columbia, again, in that 10 o'clock to midnight hour, and then it reaches further to the north just by 1 a.m. All of us have a chance for rain in that 1 to 3 a.m. window, and then we'll start to see that rain chance dwindle throughout Wednesday morning. However, 7 a.m., your commute to work, you're going to need your windshield wipers, your headlights. We're tracking some lingering showers. However, the drying out continues into the noon hour. We should be done with rain for the most part through the afternoon. And then we're looking warmer, especially for some. Take a look at the south here. South of Jefferson City, we could reach 50 degrees. Osage Beach, maybe even Jeff, Lynn, Rolla, Fort Leonard Wood, but temperatures will cool pretty quick off towards the north with winds out of the north and the northern half of mid-Missouri, and then we'll continue to cool into the overnight hours. But again, we're staying mild. No big real push of cold air in the forecast. In fact, we're going to see a lot of warmth and rain, potential rainfall over the next 7 days, maybe a half an inch, which doesn't scream washout any particular day, but we'll have a couple of chances for some light rain in the forecast. The first one coming again tonight into tomorrow morning. Then it's an active pattern over the long term. We talk about an active pattern with winds from the south bringing in Gulf moisture and some warmth as well through Thursday, through Friday. Friday generally is a drier day at the surface with some high pressure, but as we work into the weekend, low pressure aloft works on in, and that has us a little cooler with, again, more chances for rain. This is our next big chance for rain. We could have a passing wave on Thursday, but most of us will hold off until really Saturday. That's going to have our highs in the low 40s. That's what I mean by cool in quotation marks. And then that moves away. Upper level high pressure inches in, and that has us trending warmer but also drier. Take a look at the next 6 to 10 days. This is going to be just beyond the 7-day forecast. Above average temperatures everywhere you see orange or red, and that's the likelihood of above average. This tells us the chances, not the magnitude of the warmth. The chances are good that we're above average between Sunday, January 28th and Thursday, February 1st. So right through the beginning of the next month, we should see warmer conditions, generally speaking, maybe a cool day here or there, but generally warmer than 40 and drier than average as well. So a drier trend with that high pressure settling in just through the end of January, the beginning of next month. And you can see here on the ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast, a little bit of fluctuation in temperature. Again, we've got temperatures generally in the 40s, cooling into the low 40s over the weekend, back into the 50s, though, early next week potentially, and we'll likely see a couple of chances for rain in that stretch as well.